let my mind be at ease. No rush, no race, just a gentle pace. I'm here in the moment, I'm finding my space. I'm practicing mindfulness, being here and now. Letting go of worries, I'm learning how to see the world clearly with an open heart. In this mindful moment is where I start. When the day gets loud and the noise surrounds, I close my eyes, feel my feet on the ground. Every breath I take, every sound I hear, brings me back to now where there's nothing to fear. I'm practicing mindfulness, being here and now. Letting go of worries, I'm learning how to see the world clearly with an open heart. In this mindful moment is where I start. I notice the sunshine, the rain on my face, the warmth of a smile, life's gentle embrace. I'm present, I'm grounded, I'm feeling the flow. In this mindful practice, I let my soul grow. As the evening falls and the day is done, I reflect with peace on the moments I've won. In the stillness of night, I find my release. Mindful and calm, I rest in peace. I'm practicing mindfulness, being here and now. Letting go of worries, I'm learning how to see the world clearly with an open heart. In this mindful moment is where I start. So I'll keep on this path where the present is bright. With each mindful step, I'm walking in light. I'm practicing mindfulness, it's where I'll stay. In this moment, I'll find my way.
Back in the day, we'd ride in the back of that old pickup truck. No belts, no slack. We'd jump our bikes, fly high in the air. Scrapes and bruises, we didn't care. Oh, how things have changed from the days when we ran wild and free. Now the world's rearranged, but those memories still live inside of me. Played outside till the sun went down. Ran through the streets of our little town. No screens, no phones, just the great unknown. The world was ours to call our own. Oh, how things have changed from the days when we ran wild and free. Now the world's rearranged, but those memories still live inside of me. We played outside till the sun went down. Ran through the streets of our little town. No screen. Now it's safer and life's more secure, but something's lost in the way we endure. The freedom we had, the risks we take, made us stronger, made us great. Now kids stay in their worlds on a screen. Times have shifted from what we've seen, but I'll hold on to those simpler days when we lived life in a million ways. We'd drink from the hose, chase fireflies at night, climb up the trees and hold on tight. We didn't need much to have a good time. A stick, a ball, a hill to climb. Saturday's work for cartoons and chores. We'd race our bikes down gravel roads. No helmets needed, just wind in our hair. We lived without a worry or care. Oh, how things have changed from the days when we ran wild and free. Now the world's rearranged, but those memories still live inside of me. Yeah, those memories still live inside of me. A time when we were young and wild and free.
Woke up with the sunrise, got the day ahead. On our no-till organic farm where we've made our bed. In the raised beds, plants are growing green and high. Naturally we grow, reaching for the sky. Oh, we're having fun on the farm. Yes, there's work, but it keeps us warm. Healthy for the mind, spirit, and the body too. We eat so well, get our exercise, and there's never a dull view. Never bored, just living free. On our farm, it's where we wanna be. Harvesting the veggies, picking herbs with glee. Fruits and nut trees standing tall, as happy as can be. With every season's change, there's always something new. Growing naturally, with every morning dew. Oh, we're having fun on the farm. Yes, there's work, but it keeps us warm. Healthy for the mind, spirit, and the body too. We eat so well, get our exercise, and there's never a dull view. Never bored, just living free. On our farm, it's where we wanna be. Sunrise to sunset, in the garden's embrace. The hard work's worth the effort, in this thriving place. Every day's an adventure, with the laughter and cheer. On this farm we find our rhythm, and the world's so clear. So here's to our farm life, with the earth and the sky. With every bit of green and growth, we're reaching for the high. Cooking up a feast with the harvest we've grown. In this vibrant space, we've made it our own. Oh, we're having fun on the farm. Yes, there's work, but it keeps us warm. Healthy for the mind, spirit, and the body too. We eat so well, get our exercise, and there's never a dull view. Never bored, just living free. On our farm, it's where we wanna be. So come and join the fun, where the gardens gleam. On our no-till organic farm, living out the dream. With the sun on our faces, and a smile so wide. We're living our dream, with love and pride.
Well, it's the end of the day. I was able to get a fair amount done despite having a meeting this afternoon, so things did work out. I did make an entrance, a rough entrance. Now I'll work on this and get this all straightened out later. Water's still running down in here. And I've got to work a lot on this access road here, but one of the first thing I wanted to do was I had a large pile of woody debris, stumps and branches and woody material. I just excavated a small hole over there and took some of the topsoil, put it there, put the sand. This is all still a big sand pocket right in here, and dug what I call a Hügelkultur pit. and took all the woody material that I had stacked up here and put it in there. Now there's more to deal with over in here and all, but I wanted to get this set so I can start working on these piles and get an access road in here a little bit better, and then we'll determine what we're going to do after that. So that's about it for today's video, folks. We got several areas where we did the marginal zones, and we got some of the plants transplanted over there, so happy about that. No other big significant excavation work done today, but we got several things accomplished. So that's it for today's video. I hope you found it useful. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks so much for watching, folks, and have a great and safe day. Bye-bye now.